Welcome back to CNC Training BD. Today I'll show how to make this simple 3D design for the beginner. Here is a bigger circle diameter 60 millimeter and inner one 30 to 32 millimeter. Okay, and bottom to center distance 88 millimeter. See, and another circle diameter 32 millimeter and inner one 16 millimeter. Okay, and here is rib. See, this rib, and here hole, see here hole is diameter 18 millimeter. Okay, and here thickness 14 millimeter. Okay, let's try to make. Okay, first I choose new interface and select. Okay, right plane and escape. First of all, I choose two circle from origin. One, two. Let's define. Here bigger outer diameter is 16 millimeter. Okay, and inner one 32 millimeter. Okay, let's make 3D. Here option is feature and extrude both face. Okay, and here option blind, click this option and is the last one mid plane. Okay, and here is total length 68 millimeter. Okay, now I make the base. Okay, base start from this middle point. First of all, I choose isometric view. Okay, front plane and escape. Okay, sorry, make again. Okay, front plane and escape. Sorry, I need to right plane. Okay, and I choose okay corner rectangle. See, start from middle of circle. Okay, let's define it. First, click outer circle diameter, and here sketch converted. See, now it's convert. Now I cut it in the unselected portion. So here is trim entities. Left the mouse key and drag this. Here is cut it and inner one also. Okay. See, its total height 60 plus 16. 66 millimeter is height. Okay. Click this point and hold Control key. This point. Make sure it's horizontal. Okay. Now also another one horizontal. Now our design is fully defined. Okay. Let's make it 3D. Here option is face or extrude boss face. Okay. See here is extended is just one side, but I need to middle point of this shape. Here option blind mid plane. Okay. And here thickness is 12 plus 12, 24 and 8, 32 millimeter. Okay. See. Now I make the bottom base. Okay. First click this face and sketch. Okay, I need just a corner rectangle and I start from this. Yes. Okay. And here is thickness 28 millimeter. Oh, sorry, here is total height is 88 millimeter. Okay, let's edit. Here is 66, but here is total height 88 millimeter. Okay, let's edit it. 88 millimeter. Okay. See, and here is bottom base 28 millimeter. Let's make it 3D. It's the same procedure. See, here is a bottom base is 60 millimeter. Okay. Now I make the left is base. Click this face and sketch. Okay. Make again corner rectangle. It's the same procedure. Here is corner rectangle shape. Start from this. Let's define first. Here is total length 32 millimeter. Okay. Sorry, here is 28 millimeter. Okay. Normal. First click this mouse left key, sorry, right key, and here is select midpoint and hold control origin point. Make sure it's vertical. Okay. And thickness 12 millimeter. Okay. Now This point to bottom base is distance 16 millimeter. Okay, let's make it 3D. Its total height here is 66 millimeter. Okay, I need to circle here. First click this face and sketch. Choose the center of circle and start from this middle point. I need to circle also. First click this outer diameter and hold Ctrl key this shape. Make transient. Okay. And inner diameter is 16 millimeter. Okay. See. Now I need to 3D. Here option is facial extrude boss face. See. See, here is the second option, direction to. Click this option. Okay. And click this up to surface. See. Click this surface. Okay. And above is 12 millimeter. Here type 12. Okay. See, it's good. See here some trouble. No problem. Take the sketch from this inner one. Okay. Click this shape, hold control and this. Convert it is. Okay. Again feature option here extrude cast. Okay. Here option through all. Okay. See. No problem. See the very important things is I need a rip from here to here. First I need this right plane and sketch. Okay. And now I choose line. Start from this to this. Okay. See. Now choose rib option here. See. Okay. See our rib is created. Now I need the last option is hole. And take sketch from this base. A hole diameter is 18 millimeter. Okay. And distance center point to this here option 24 millimeter distance. Okay. First mouse right key here option mid plane. Okay, let's again mid plane. Hold control key and this point. Make sure it's horizontal. Okay. Now I cut it this hole through all. Okay. See our hole is created. Now I need the last option here is bottom base is cutted. and again select this face and here escape. Okay, and the same procedure choose this corner rectangle and start from here to here. Okay, place distance here to this point here, stay 10 millimeter. Okay, and another also 10 millimeter. See, and this to this is 14 millimeter. Okay, now I cut it through wall also, through wall. Okay, see, our design is completely ready. If you want, you can make change the background color and product color. Here option is appearance, so as usual. Okay, and the last option here is uh, chamfer. Okay, 2 millimeter chamfer also. Here is chamfer. See, 2 millimeter. All is okay. See, our design is completely ready. It's look beautiful. Okay, thanks for watching.